Your first bulk product edit. In this video, we will go through the steps of creating your first product edit. We'll cover filtering for the products you want to edit, specifying how you want to edit the products, monitor the edit as it runs in the background. In this example, we're going to lower the prices for all products in a collection by 10%. Let's get started. In order to follow along, you should have one or more products on your Shopify store and the Bulk Product Editor app installed. Step 1. Filtering for the products you want to edit. When you load the app, you'll see a search form that looks like this. This search is similar to Shopify's product search, but has more advanced filtering options, like searching for products with less than 10 units in stock. To filter for products you want to edit, first click on the Filter dropdown. Search for collection is Accessories. After a second, you will see all the products in the collection appear. Once you have all the products you want to edit selected, select Edit Products. You can then choose how to edit the product. Step 2. Specifying how you want to edit the products. We can now choose what we would like to edit about each product. Since we're going to decrease the prices by 10%, make sure that the price and decrease by percent options are selected. Set the decrease percentage field to 10%. To make the prices look nicer, for example $9.95 instead of $9.83, ensure Round to Nearest is also selected. As you modify these values, you will see a live preview of the edit below on the page. Once you're satisfied with the results, click on Run Edit and the app will modify the products for you. Step 3. Monitor the edit as it runs in the background. When you run an edit, the app will process it in the background. Depending on the number of products you need to edit, this might take some time to complete. You can monitor the progress of the edit on the Edit History page. You don't need to stay on this page for the edit to finish. You can close the tab, grab a coffee, and move on to something else. You can read more tips about bulk editing in the related articles in the video description.